The flag matters. The flag is a link between generations, carried through hearts and ages. June 26 is the Crimean Tatar Flag Day. A sky blue background and a golden tamga, the family symbol of the Herai dynasty, the founders of the Crimean Khanate. The blue color is a symbol of freedom, honor, and strength. The Crimean Tatar flag was adopted as the state flag at the first Kurultai representative meeting held in the Khan's Palace in Bakhchisarai in 1917. And then it was revived and adopted as the national flag at the second Kurultai of the Crimean Tatar people. In 2014, the Crimean Tatar flag became a symbol of indomitability and the fight for rights and freedom for many people in the world. That is why in 2018-2019, as part of the action United by the Flag, Liberate Crimea, it was unfurled in 28 countries on 4 continents. It has already become an unbreakable tradition to raise the Crimean Tatar flag on the administrative buildings of Ukraine and decorate the streets and houses of the capital with it on June 26th. Since February 24, 2022, the flag of the Crimean Tatars, together with the flag of Ukraine, has been fluttering even more powerfully in the hottest points of hostilities. Today, 2 flags are united by a single desire: freedom. After all, as 2 flags, 1 country, so is 2 nations, a common future. We know that soon we will see the flag of Ukraine and the Crimean Tatars over the liberated Crimea. Glory to Ukraine. Glory to the Crimean Tatar nation.